world videos. Ooh, Paradise got videos. Where it all get paid. Paradise world videos.
Paradise World Videos. We're in Orihuela Costa Los Altos on the Costa Blanca, Spain, and it's a big warning if you're buying property in Spain, especially for an urbanisation. Today we're going to go and meet some really angry residents and the president on the urbanisation here in Los Altos. We did do a video previously just in this area alone, 2 urbanisations with 2 illegal pools, and the latest was they were paying every month a fine just to keep the pool there until they actually got it filled in. But now we've come to the right at the end of that now, and we're going to go and find out the latest update, what's going on, and it ain't looking good. I think they're actually got to fill it in now. They can't keep paying this fine. So it's so important here in Spain, whether you're buying a holiday home or a place to live, because there's a lot of difference between jesters, solicitors and lawyers, and we're going to explain that at the end, so make sure you watch it, because you don't want this to happen to you, because people have recently bought on this urbanisation with this problem that's been going on quite a long time. Urbanisation is literally just there, right next to the big Via Park 3, where you got the Lime Bar and all the restaurants. So it's a great location, and it's absolutely stunning pool. It's literally on Manzana 1 now, which is Urb of Las Palmares. Some beautiful apartments all the way around, overlooking the pool. Absolutely stunning pool. Got everything in there: gym, park area for the children, and of course bathing, smoking areas. So absolutely stunning. It's like a 5-star hotel pool. It's not looking good. We're going to go and see the president and some of the owners and see what they have to say and get the latest update. I will post a video at the end of the other video we've done with the 2 pools here to give you an insight what is happening here in Spain. But yeah, it is so important, which we're going to tell you at the end why you do need a proper lawyer when you do come and invest here in Spain. So the actual story was, when the urbanisation was built, the builder, the developers actually built a swimming pool right in the middle, which didn't actually belong to the developers, and it's been there for literally 20 years, and they have been fighting it for a long time. Of course, for new people that are coming onto the urbanisation, wasn't aware of what's going on. So if you bought a property here, it's literally less worth than when you actually bought it. And the way the property boom's going on at the moment, 11% up already on this year, but for this urbanisation, it's probably going the wrong way. The pool is just there, Manzana 1, Las Palmares, and yeah, as stunning as the pool is, which you're going to see, it's going to be filled in and just be kind of wasteland. It's actually going to cost the government money to maintain it. It'd be easier for them to sell it to the urbanisation. Just over there in the distance, you've got Villa Martin, and of course right on the doorstep of this urbanisation, you've got an Aldi's as well, and a few little bars and restaurants there. But yeah, it looks absolutely stunning. I already spotted one up for sale, and there is another one as well for sale there, so that's just 2 before we even start looking around. People obviously getting wind of what's actually going to happen, and it's going to happen very soon. I've already got people in a pool, and of course they're not aware of it. A lot of people obviously don't know what's been going on. So this is the pool. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it? Sun lounges around, you've got little areas in the shade for picnics, smoking areas, the table tennis, little gym area. So yeah, it's absolutely stunning, but it's all going to be filled in. It's just going to end up like this, just wasteland. Met one of the residents here, Barney, and he's going to let us know, before I go and meet the main president, it's going to give us a right up to date what's going on here in this urbanisation. So Barney, how long you been here and what's happening?
Here, back and forth, about 20 years.
20 years, and this problem's been going on that long?
This problem's been going on since 2001. Yeah, since it was built. The first pool was built illegally by Torre Vega 93. Yeah, has been, 2001.
Yeah.
And then it was demolished. A new pool was built, so-called by the residents.
Yeah.
And the council has been fighting steadily since that to try and get it back. They've taken it to court after court. The residents have fought against them.
Yeah.
And now they've taken it to the Supreme Court.
Oh.
So, with them taking it to the Supreme Court, it has now been deemed illegal.
Yeah.
The pool has been deemed illegal and illegally built.
Yeah.
And they want their land back.
Yeah, the council, yeah.
So now we have to try and fight more now to try and stop this. Like, we are entitled to a pool and green area.
Yeah.
Under EU law,
Yeah.
we're entitled to a pool and green area. Where this can be,
You've got the green area, and they're hoping to
well,
fill that in and give you a bit more green area, but they've got to pay to maintain it.
Councils, at the end of the day, you can't do nothing without council permission. And we want it off the council. We want this to be our
Yeah, because
urbanisation.
obviously if this goes, all this property is going to be worth next to nothing. Yeah, that's it. Well, we're going to have a chat with Archie, and he's going to let us know the update situation, because I did hear there was a WhatsApp group where the people who are on the herb was asked to pay money for a fine every month. Was that correct?
It was fined. It was fined every month.
And what was the fine they had to pay to the government?
The fine was €3,000 per month.
Per month, and they were asking the residents to chip in.
They were asking the residents to chip in, and it was going to end up. I ended up in that there was no money for street lighting, for cleaning, for
got ya.
because it was getting ate up on fines.
Yeah.
You know, so they've got part of that resolved now.
Yeah. And what's the story? Going to go to High Court, you think, and fight it through the High Courts?
They've taken it to High Courts, the
Yeah.
Supreme Court now. It's back now. It's been deemed illegal.
Okay.
Illegally built.
Yeah.
But now it's back with the council. The council has to fight to try and get the land back now.
Yeah.
And after that, they have to try and get their land back, which we have to fight now.
Yeah.
We have to bear everything we can do to try and fight to get it back.
How many residents actually live on this
There's
herb?
240, I think.
Yeah.
240 residential apartments.
Yeah, got ya.
stuff like
And
that.
some holiday lets or whatnot. I've seen a few up for sale already. Obviously trying to get out, knowing that the inevitable's going to happen. Yeah.
Because inevitable, the
Yeah.
house could be half the value.
Yeah, of course.
You know,
Yeah, everyone.
This here, it's a beautiful.
It's
As you stated before, it's a 5-star.
yeah, 5-star. It definitely is a 5-star pool. It's absolutely amazing. We're going to go over now and have a chat with the president and get the latest update on what's happening here with this urbanisation. This is the main entrance. They have a toilet here as well, which is really good, and it's a special pass you need to get in and out. Also have Wi-Fi in the pool as well. This is the pool we're talking about, and you can see lots of shaded areas like I mentioned, absolutely picturesque. And you can see why the residents are really angry, because this is all going to be gone. So to come here with a little holiday apartment, or you live here and you do like a dip, it's a big battle, and we're going to see who wins, the courts, the local council, or the residents. So we're going to go and have a word with Archie, which is the president of this Las Palmares urbanisation Manzana 1, and we're going to find out what is happening right now with this big problem here. Okay, so now we're having a chat with Archie, the president, and he doesn't want to appear on camera, but he's going to explain what's been going on over the last 20 years with this illegal pool that obviously a lot of people weren't aware of, and it's come to light, and we're right at the serious part. So Archie, would you be able to update us what's going on?
This is the big story from the beginning. I have been this organization. I bought my house in 2002. You know, all these strangers, all these foreigners, well, they come here to buy property. We didn't know anything, even about what is urbanization fee. Okay, we bought the house in 2002. I bought it, and when I come here in 2003, I found a lot of bad rules, bad things happen. And then 2004, and then 2005, I start against the president and administrator and all process in this community. It took 2 years until I become president. In 2007, I become president by 99% vote. I start my job, I sack president, I sack administrator, I send them to jail, to court. I have been to court with them maybe 10 times, okay? But the president ran away from this community. He left the house, his wife, everything, and gone. And was very, I think, I cannot say powerful, but this comes out of corruption. He has 1,000 urbanization. And he, after all the meeting, after all the court, he called me, Archie, I do what I can. I do what I want.
Wasn't there one time there was quite a bit of money in the pot to fight this case over the years? There was rumours there was quite a bit of money.
After that, yes, but he steal money all 3 times from the bank administrator. That's why, okay, I sacked them and they gone and finished. After that, now we come on the main story. This urbanization has been built in 199, finished 2000. In 2000, or when they want to start the urbanization, because they wanted to get permission from town hall, they built phase 1, 25 houses, and they got approval to start and go on. They built a very, very huge pool. No one say nothing when they did that. They showed Atlas and Masa as responsible to sell all this house. First owner, I'm talking about the first owner. I'm not first owner, he's not first owner, I don't know. First owner came here to see, oh, where's the pool? This is your pool, this is your green area, and this is your house. And they bought it. But the story was something else. When they wanted to start, their plan was to build 141 chalet, villa, not apartment. First plan. All chalet, 142. Then something come up. Oh, if we build 92 apartments and 117 chalet, then we can earn €1 million more. Happened like this. Then agreement came out between Torrevieja 93 and Town Hall. Should be like that. Otherwise, where were Town Hall when they built all these things? They say nothing. Then the demolition of the pool, the first pool comes out in 2000. They wait until they build and they sold all these flat and houses. Then they say, oh, this pool is very big, we have to demolish it. And they demolish it. We protested in 2004, all these owners, we protested, where is our pool? According to Spanish law, when you build an urbanization, you have to have pool, community pool, and green area. To Torrevieja 93 to build the pool. But the president and administrator in general meeting in 2004, by all the votes of the owner, accepted the responsibility of building the pool, and they built it. In 2005, they built this pool. They built it. I can show you the picture of the first pool here. Look, first thing I have to tell you, this is the paper which all the owners who they bought a house here, they have it. Listen, read it. Here they say community pool, green area is included. That's why they bought. And then this is the first pool. They make it here. This is the pool. And they, Torrevieja 93, I took this picture and oh my God, they were very angry about that. Very angry. I heard a lot of things against me. Enough enemy I have, I told you. So they put this announcement in the front of Via Park 3 And if you can see that, here it's written, Las Palmares Manzana Uno Community Swimming Pool. Look, green area, splendid furniture, everything. Huge sign, very big. I took this picture myself, evidence.
Yeah.
2 days later, cut it. They came here and cut it. Gone. Because it's a crime. It's a crime.
Yeah.
Against the builder, against all of them.
So where we are up to date with what's happening.
Now, and then they come here, we built this pool, we built this area, a very big garden for you, green area, legalize the pool, and we give you habitation certificate.
Yeah.
Because we don't have habitation certificate. Only 25 houses, they issue habitation certificate, the first one. Others, no. As long as we applied for habitation certificate, they say, no, you cannot get it because the pool is not legal. So, we go to court and blah, blah until 2014. And we got letter from them and the court condemned
The council.
Orihuela 93
Yeah.
for estefa.
Yeah.
Okay? We have all these documents. Then in 2017, they came here. Our lawyer came here. Oh, Archie, good news. Oh, what's happened? If you sign this, they will legalize the pool, the garden here, green area, and they will issue habitation certificate for second occupation for all the houses. Oh, very good. This is what we want. Paid a lot of money to it. Okay, I signed it because we had a company here, Las Palmares Beach. We did it to cover, to have responsibility for this pool. What's happened? I signed that, I sent it, and they are going to do that. When I called them, when you want to start, they say, oh, next 2 months in February. Unfortunately, I resigned. I had to resign in September 21st.
What year was that? In 2017?
2021?
Oh, 2021, yeah.
Yes, I resigned. Before that, town hall called lawyer, procurador, in
That's for the deeds, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Audiencia, and they filed the case. Filed it because 10 years has passed.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah.
It's not finished, but it's filed.
Yeah.
You know that. So, I was not in that meeting. Only the 2 persons that were finished. After that, I resigned for 1 year, and many things happened. I don't want to talk about that. Then I had to come back. After I saw a lot of bad things happen, I had to come back, and I came back, and I come to this conclusion now that the town hall has sent a letter that you are responsible to build this pool because in 2004 general meeting, in your minute of the meeting, it's written the community has responsibility to build this pool. So your responsibility, you have to demolish it. Come in 2022 when I was not president. 23 when I come back, I answered them no. Again, no.
We're not gonna fill in, yeah.
We don't, no, under any circumstances, we don't do that. Then you have to pay fine. Say, it's written like that, 27,000 euro, we pay 3,000 euro, you have to pay. I wait, they send 5,000 first, immediately I pay. Again, after 2-3 months, they come 3,000. When I pay 3,000, 5 months later, another 3,000. It means every 5 months you pay 3,000. Every 5 months.
Yeah.
This is what they wanted from the beginning. alquiler, renting. So we pay now, and I put down all expenses because we had to pay.
Yeah.
No money. I canceled a lot of things, saving money, no problem. All the time we had the pool. People used the pool, no problem. We didn't have any problem, but in the meantime, we go over all.
So you stop paying the fines now, and you're still paying the fines?
Yes.
Because
Yes,
the rumor is now you've got to...
3,000 comes, we have to pay when it comes. Now we are in this general meeting day after tomorrow on Saturday. We have this meeting. In this meeting,
sorry,
we have
who's in the meeting? You're having a meeting with the town hall?
no general meeting.
Just general meeting,
Annual-
the AGM.
annual
Your AGM
AGM,
for
general
the
meeting,
residents.
yes,
Yeah,
general
yeah.
meeting.
Gotcha.
We have that, and our lawyer will come, and he will read their reports and these things, and they say we have to decide what to do
Carry on paying the fine or fight it.
or demolish.
Yeah,
For demolishing, they need my signature.
yeah,
I will not do that.
yeah.
Never, under any circumstances. I'm not agree because if this pool is gone, the houses will go like this, and we will decide what to do. But there is a way to fight, always.
So there's going to be a vote at the AGM where what you're going to decide to do, basically carry on paying fine or let them just demolish it, because you've got to pay to fill that in as well. Yeah, that's the urbanisation, so it's going to cost money. So at the AGM, whatever they decide, if they decide no, we'll keep the pool, what you keep paying a fine, or you're at the process of course going to the High Court.
High cost.
High Court, yeah.
The process is this: if we want to keep the pool, it means we have to fight for that. We have to go, I think, and I suggest, to go to European Court.
Yeah, the European Court.
This
Overall
is the last,
Spain. Yeah,
This is the last step.
yeah.
But I think we can keep the pool.
What's the time scale of the court case like to reach the High Court?
I think there's no time.
No.
Here in Spain,
Mañana.
mañana, and this is, all these things happen in all these years.
Yeah. And if you win the case, they're going to have to pay back all the money.
Yes. If we win the case, whatever we have paid, they will give it back.
You become the richest urbanisation then.
In this, we have asked from the town hall, from Torrevieja 93 or town hall, they have to pay this amount,
Which is how much?
1,537,441 euro to the community to demolish the pool.
Wow.
We have the court. This is our demand. A lot of things with support of the owners.
Yeah.
Only, you know that.
Yeah.
I can do nothing.
No.
If the people don't support,
Yeah. Well, it's to the owners and the people, even if they live here or all of the apartments,
yes,
for their benefit, because their house is going to be worth less.
it's a little difficult.
So the latest on the case is basically we're still paying the fine, and when it comes to the meeting, which is Saturday, did you say? What day is the meeting?
Saturday. And
And then you're going to have all the residents there, big vote, keep the pool, pay the fine, or go with the demolish, or fight it with the High Court. That's the options. And of course, you're not going to sign to get it demolished.
I will not.
Okay, so that is Archie, the president, and a lot going on here. So you've got to be careful when you're buying in Spain. You've got to make sure you got a good lawyer, because you don't want to fall into this mess. So that was Archie, the president, and from start to beginning, you heard the story. So it's so important nowadays when you do buy property that you do get a proper lawyer. Solicitors and jesters are not lawyers. A lawyer will check everything out thoroughly, that everything's on the land registry, the owner, debts and everything. And if you did want to know about a proper lawyer, you go into my description. We use Alfred Mansion, proper qualified as the card, knows the up-to-date information. And if you're a regular to my channel, you know we sort out all the visas and NIEs and do all the property sales for people, also help people with properties. So yeah, that is today's video. Angry residents and even more angry president as well, for all them years fighting, saying they can have the pool, and the next minute they can't. And the story goes on. So let us know in the comments what you think about this, or if you live on this urbanisation. But remember, this ain't the only place. Just round the corner there was another one, which I'll post a video up there, but it's all over Spain. There's hundreds of urbanisations with this problem. So you've got to make sure you get a lawyer and check everything out. But it's hasta luego from Las Palmares on the Costa Blanca, Orihuela Costa Los Altos.